Namaste, everybody. Today, let us understand the most important thing that we all need to possess or practice to lead an abundant, rich life. Who doesn't want to lead an affluent, rich, abundant life, isn't it? But did you know that if you don't have an appropriate mindset, then it is almost impossible to lead a real, rich, abundant life? Today, I'll share with you some important tips which will not just help you to become a money magnet, but also enjoy wealth in real sense. The first most important thing about money management, attracting money, or leading an abundant life is to have an appropriate mindset. For instance, if you're feeling that lack more than that want to attract money, then your subconscious mind and your energy field will only attract more and more situations where the lack feeling will continue to exist in your life. Sometimes, though we have enough money in our bank or your purse is full, you have that feeling of lack which makes you desperate to achieve something higher, but you don't even know how it feels like to go through the feeling of abundance. In such situations, we will one or the other day land up where the real poverty or the shortage of money will come forth, and you will be wondering what really happened in between that you started losing your wealth or started losing money. So, having an appropriate positive mindset, even amidst those challenge situations where you fall short of money to meet your needs, is extremely crucial. I keep telling my clients, whenever you have very little money in your bank or wallet where you feel you cannot meet your needs, feel you're abundant, feel you have enough, feel you're about to buy it, you're about to go achieve that. And eventually, universe will help you to align your plan and also help you attract sufficient money to fulfill all your needs or dreams. So, appropriate, abundant, positive mindset is extremely crucial. The second most important thing is to have a feeling of gratitude towards whatever you already possess. Usually, when we are in this quest to wanting to buy new things, new gadgets, or travel or go for shopping, the feeling of not having something or desperation to buy something overtakes the feeling of gratitude for what we already have. But do you know that the secret in this universe is that the more and more you're grateful for what you already possess, especially in the materialistic life, the more you attract. So start with just taking a minute or two in the morning by thanking all those real materialistic things that you have as a luxury or a comfort. It could be thanking your small little car or some gadgets that you're already using or few jewelry that you have or whatever little savings that you've been able to do. And with that feeling of gratitude, extend the feeling of abundance into all that you want to possess, all that you want to own. In fact, if you ask me, you can trick the mind by thanking for those things which you are yet to possess, yet to buy, yet to purchase, as if you already have it, so that the subconscious mind receives the signal that you're supposed to attract it. This is one of the greatest secrets of attracting abundance into life. Now, the third thing is we all have a sort of a negative feeling or a heavy feeling to spend money, isn't it? So, if you're able to give a little time to just at least just split seconds whenever you're giving out money, whether it is through some online payment or hard cash, just thank that money and think whatever you're spending is going to come multifold times back to you. You'll receive 10 times more money by various sources. But never curse that person or have that negative feeling whenever you're spending money, because ultimately, though your feeling is about that specific person who's taking it, the energy with the money gets connected automatically. And you don't want such negative or negative heavy feeling while you receive money, isn't it? Or your mind shouldn't start saying, oh, money is a negative thing. You always have a heavy negative feeling associated with money. So I'll stop this source. You shouldn't land up in such a place, isn't it? So whenever you're spending, bless the person who's receiving the money, bless the money, and think it's going to come back 10 times more. And I also practice a small thing which has worked magically for me. For these small vendors or maids or wherever you go to, some tourist spots, wherever the cleaners are, where people are doing real hard work, just give a little money to them. You will definitely not lose much by doing that act, because we know how much we pay for a five-star hotel, for the flight tickets or whatever travel expenses. We don't hesitate, but the real hard work is done by those cleaners there. So just have a big heart to give some money and bring that smile on their faces, where energetically you will also start feeling very abundant and rich, and therefore attract a lot of money in turn. Of course, this gesture of compassion is not because tomorrow I should be attracting a lot of money. I'm in fact telling you to develop that heart where your energy becomes receptive towards receiving more abundance so that you can help more people. Now, when I'm talking about so that you can help more people, it will also bring us to the next point as to gaining clarity about why you need to attract a lot of money. Do you know that money loves clarity and your mind loves clarity? Yes. Having absolute clarity as to why do you want to attract that much of money is going to be very beneficial for you. So, either practice journaling, jot down the points, I have sufficient money, so that put down the reasons, or just mentally visualize with a lot of joy and happiness rather than with a lot of stress and anxiety. What are those materialistic things you're going to possess? What are those savers or donations you're going to do by having sufficient money in your wallet? By doing that, your mind will start working towards taking appropriate actions to attract the abundance that you are aspiring for. This becomes extremely crucial and important. Well, my dear friends, understand that the wealthy life is directly proportional to wealthy thoughts. If you're poor at the thought level, if you're feeling drained, if you have the deep discontentment, if you always go through this feeling of scarcity, how will you land up attracting more and more abundance? Even after attracting, how will you enjoy it? Because I've seen a lot of people who have been striving to reach a specific status, that prestigious thing by earning a lot of money, but then they land up being really miserable because they don't know what is the next step after that. So practice that contentment, that joy, that bliss, that gratitude in whatever you have, so that when you land up in the space that you want to be in, you can thoroughly enjoy every bit of the materialistic benefits that the universe is bestowing on you. I hope this information was helpful. I wish you all an abundant life. Next time, I'll meet you again with another useful tip on Douglas therapy. Until then, please take care of yourself. Thank you for watching. Namaste.